Hi everyone, I'm Dali, owner of an Etsy shop, Creative Dalmor Prints. I'll show you how to create your own photo collage. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free. I recommend doing this on a computer rather than a phone for easier editing. Then, click on Custom Size, enter your desired dimensions, or choose one of the suggested size if it fits your needs. Next, open the PDF file you downloaded after purchasing our listing. Click on the blue button and then select Edit Template. This will open the page in Canva with your purchased frames. Carefully select the letters you want to use in your design. If you accidentally make a mistake, you can easily go back using undo arrow. Click Copy and then go to your new Canva page where you are creating your design. Right-click and paste. Do it for all letters you want to use. Adjust the size and position of the letters. Repeat this process for the other letters. Once you have adjusted the size and position of the frames, click Ungroup for all letters. Now go to Upload files and upload the photos you want to use in your collage. If you prefer, you can also use Canva's bulletin design. Go to Elements and type what you're looking for in the search bar. If you have a free account, make sure to choose free elements only. Drag your photos carefully into the letter frame. By double-clicking on a photo, you can adjust its position inside the frame. After filling all the frames, you can add text and choose your preferred font. If you are using free account, select the free font. You can also add the background by uploading your own image or choosing one from Canva Elements. Drag it onto the page, right-click and select Set Image as Background. Once everything is ready, it's time to download your design. You can choose JPG or PDF format. I personally recommend PDF for the best print quality. Save the file to your computer and print it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. And if you haven't purchased one of your photo collage digital files yet, feel free to visit our Etsy shop, Creative Dalmor Prints, and check out our collection.